Parang picture na kayo kaya.
Sabi mo magpipicture kayong tatlo.
Dito na lang. Dito. Nami. Nami. Atoy.
Ayan na siya.
Going to be testing. Why is there no bubbles? It's taking a long time. Okay, maybe it's something. Yep. How about the other side there?
Oo, pinag-video ako. Ayan naman, mag-bubbles. Ayan. Ay!
Ay, ibig sabihin pag ginawa niya, doon ka matapos niya.
So we're moving, and it's really bright. Bilis!
Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng moon. Wait lang.
Wow. So beautiful. Look at the moon. Okay. I don't know. Do I put the flash on? So we're in the road. Somebody's so lazy. Let's just take a picture of us. Yeah. I can't keep it. No. It's so beautiful. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh no, the moon. There's a werewolf. Come on, let's
Oh
go.
my gosh.
Hey, where's Grace?
Ayun, oh.
Where? Oh, she's there. It's like she's there.
So, yung sasakyan natin.
It's very cold here. That's why you can die easily. In the cold winters. You can see it's very cold, everybody.
Natago sa Grace.
Moving on. It's really cold
Yung
here.
ilaw kamukha mo.
Hi, but they're going to start the So let's start. Here it is.